I've seen edible fabric done numerous ways over the years, from gelatin to other weird concoctions which somehow worked, but this one was incredible because it uses wafer paper, and all you need is a mix of vegetable glycerin, vodka, and gold dust. And you saturate the wafer paper on both sides, and then you dust your gold dust on really lightly because you can rip this. And then it becomes a moldable, edible fabric, which I think is just incredible. So I decided that the one thing I really wanted to create was an edible golden bow, simple and effective. And I just think that this hack is so useful. And if you could do larger sheets, it would be absolutely incredible. Think of the possibilities. This is definitely a hack I'm going to keep in my back pocket for future cakes. Give it a go.